I introduce myself. My name is Ete Herawati. I want to presentation my research in the title Implementation of STEAM Project-Based Learning Taman Mini Imun Booster Digital based on QR code assisted by 4DFrame to improve mathematics learning outcomes for 8th grade students at SMPN Negeri Satu Atap 2 Krangkeng, Indramayu. Background. Student thinks mathematics is a difficult subject. Completeness of daily test of cube and blocks material for the 2020-2021 school year is only 66%. Lack of teacher variation in using the learning model. Formula of the problem. What is the implementation of STEAM project-based learning Taman Mini Imun Booster Digital based on QR code assisted by 4DFrame can to improve mathematics learning outcomes for 8th grade student at SMPN Negeri Satu Atap 2 Krangkeng, Indramayu? Goal, to find out whether the application of STEAM project-based learning Taman Mini Imun Booster Digital based on QR code assisted by 4DFrame can improve mathematics learning outcomes for 8th grade students at SMPN Negeri Satu Atap 2 Krangkeng, Indramayu. Benefit, contribute to school implementing active, creative, and innovative learning models, and furthermore, it is hoped that they can make quality school. The research was carried out SMPN Negeri Satu Atap 2 Krangkeng, Indramayu from August to September 2021 for 8th grades, with 16 students, 4 girls and 11 boys. Research procedure, classroom as a research with 2 cycles, every cycle 4 meetings. Data collective, technique data, test question, project assessment, observation sheet, interview, questionnaire, and photo. Making pre-action, making lesson plan, prepare project assignment, prepare student worksheet, observation sheet, student questionnaire, assessment tool, and pre-test. In the second one, student in group measure the vacant land using a roll meter. Student record the length and width of the land. Student determine the scale and draw a miniature sketch of the site where the immune booster plant pot. And then students determine the cost needed to make a cell for immune booster plant spot is the price for long, medium, and short sticks, and the connector of the 4DFrame toolkit are known. Note that the pot rack made is cheap and strong. Before making a miniature shelf for immune booster plant pots using 4DFrame toolkit, the teacher explained in advance about the elements of cube and blocks, nets, and the length of the cube blocks framework. The teacher introduced students to the 4DFrame toolkit with various colors and size and their connectors. Students in group assemble the 4DFrame toolkit from cube and blocks. In the main activity, the teacher explained the surface area and volume of cube and blocks. Students in group make miniature cells for immune booster plant spot using 4DFrame media based on miniature sketches that have been made. Students present the result of group work. Why choose a miniature model where the rate and the result of the calculation of the cost incurred if the price of long stick is known, and medium stick and short stick and connector. Cycle 2. The teacher gives assignment to students to bring immune booster plant, such a general lemongrass. Teacher explain how to install QR code. And the teacher give a worksheet containing question about what plans to bring, what is the Latin name, where are the benefits, and makes a QR code of the plan. The QR code that has been made is print and laminated and hung on the plan it brings. Make a cell for Imun booster plan post according to the miniature that have been made using the 4DFrame toolkit with the lowest cost calculation and load the most spots. Research results. Learning outcome test cycle 1 and cycle 2. Average and pre-action 69.06. And the cycle 1 75.31. And the cycle 2 81.25. Observation result based on observation made by research and observer, student seems enthusiastic and activity discussed in team to complete STEAM integrating project using the 4DFrame toolkit. In general, learning does not divide from the observation set. Project assessment result. Result in the average skill competence, the project result have increased in the first cycle 1 of 78.5 and the second cycle of 85.4. Questionnaire result. From the result of the students' questionnaire, it was shown that student attitude towards learning mathematics by applying same weights 4DFrame were very good. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion, the application of STEM assist by 4DFrame can improve mathematics learning outcomes for 8th grade students at SMP Negeri Satu Atap 2 Krangkeng, Indramayu. This is evidenced by an increase in learning outcomes from each cycle. In knowledge competence, the average learning outcomes in cycle 1 are 75.31 and in cycle 2, 81.25. In the average skill competence, the project results have increased in cycle 1, 78.5 and in cycle 2, it's 85.4. From the result of student questionnaire, it saw that students attitude towards learning mathematics by applying 4DFrame rock STEM are very good. Suggestion, the use of 4DFrame really helps students in learning to build space and do modeling. Thank you very much.